Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the SodaStream E-Terra. This is their brand new one. This one is electronic, and I think this one is probably the most user-friendly for families and multiple user usage. So let's go ahead and get into it. I did get the bundle, and it does come with some bottles, a couple flavors, a gas, and I believe there's another gas in here and the machine. So let's go ahead and get into it. Lift off the top. Push for better is what the box says. Open it up. First thing we have is a little manual. This is going to tell you all about your SodaStream if you need to use it. I don't think we're going to need to use it too much. Voila. Here is the machine. I did get the white version. I wanted to go with the black one, but unfortunately they were sold out and I couldn't get it. We do have the power adapter here. Another freebie bottle. And another canister of CO2. So let's go over some of the features with the SodaStream E-Terra. We have 3 levels of carbonation. We have less carbonation, medium carbonation, and if you're like me, you go with the extra heavy duty carbonation. Don't have to worry about anything else. It's as simple as a push of the button and it's going to dispense the CO2 properly to the amount that you specify. On the back here, this is where the gas is going to be held, and it's a quick connect, so as simple as this. Take our gas, peel off the plastic, take this cap off, slide it in, push down, you're ready to go. That is installed, ready to go. You're going to take this, as always, put it in the slot, slap that big boy back on, and you're good to go. Now, with the power adapter that we have here, I'm hoping that it's a pretty decently long cable, and it does appear to be, which is a good sign. I believe we have, we got a good 6-foot cable, so that is great. And I'm not sure where you would want to put this. The kitchen might not be the best place for it because you probably already have a whole bunch of things plugged into your kitchen. So you might want to find a different place for this one. That's it for this video. Again, this is the SodaStream E-Terra, their first electronic SodaStream machine, and I think it might actually be worth the buy for someone that wants convenience and people that have multiple uses. Maybe even younger kids, because they could just come up, push one button, and they already have their fizzy drink with them here. And of course you could always get them the smaller half-liter bottles as well. But I think it's a win overall. The bundle was on sale for $160, and you get 3 bottles included, 2 gases, and then 2 flavors. Again, link in the description below for that on Amazon. But other than that, thank you for watching. Please consider liking, subscribing, commenting. If you enjoyed this video, I will have more SodaStream videos out there. And if you're thinking you want a SodaStream but a little cheaper of a model, definitely check out the video for the SodaStream art that I have, and any other type of recipe videos. You can check them all in my channel below. Anyways, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time. So remember, fizz it up, and bye-bye for now.